How's it going, everyone? This is Malt. I'm Matt. Welcome to the channel. And it's been a hot minute since I uploaded, huh? I think it's been, I don't know, it's at least been a season. I know that much. I don't think I uploaded a single thing all summer long. And honestly, that was just kind of me enjoying my summer break and just enjoying my time off and spending time with the people I love and all that. But yeah, I mean, I don't have a really good excuse for why I hadn't uploaded a single thing all summer. So yeah, I can make a bunch of excuses. I can make the excuse of my little microphone adapter for my camera went missing. I can make the excuse that the microphone I was using stopped working. I can make the excuse that the batteries were not holding a charge. I can make an excuse that work has been keeping me busy. There's a bunch of excuses I could use, but I mean, fact of the matter is, I have not been making time for it because it just wasn't a priority for me. So it did kind of dawn on me while I was talking to my brother that I should go ahead and try to make time for it, because it was kind of enjoyable to make some of these videos. Some of them, not all of them. Some of the videos were a royal pain in the butt, and I don't plan on doing them again. Install videos, yeah, probably done with those. It's just not enjoyable for me to do that. Number one, there are other more talented and more technologically skilled people out there with help videos on the majority of other things that you can do on a bike. And I don't need to be throwing my hat in that ring. That's not something I don't feel like I got something I can add to that. Gear reviews, yeah, I'm a teacher. I don't make enough money to like buy gear and review it. Maybe I could like do a little bit, but again, that doesn't really, it's not something that jives with me, you know? It's not something that I'm interested in doing. I still have my blinker on. Whoops. But what I liked doing were those silly, dopey, like, knockoff Walterific Moto Monday style videos. You know? It's just kind of, I keep my GoPro running, and if I see something weird, I comment on it, and then I splice that into a compilation. It's kind of like Motovlog scrapbooking, if you think about it. It's kind of what I was doing, just Motovlog scrapbooking. Maybe I'll start calling those videos that. I kind of like that idea. Anyways, that's kind of what's been going on. I'm not gonna sit here and make any kind of promise or any kind of what word am I looking for? Any kind of promise or goals or anything. I'm just here to kind of tell you I am alive. I am still riding motorcycles. No, I have not been in a horrible crash. No, I have not suffered. Jeez, easy, buddy. I have not suffered any kind of like illness or deaths or anything like that, thank heavens. But yeah, nothing's really going on. It's just I've been lazy. What do you want from me? So yeah, there are several of you who apparently do like this channel and do want to keep seeing content. I mean, heck, there's over 500 of you subscribed, so there's at least 500 people who wanted to see more stuff that I'm doing, so we'll go ahead and make more stuff. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I'll see what happens. I don't know. When will this video come out? Who knows? The only other thing I kind of want, I want my bike to be a bit audible, so I might do one last install video, maybe two. One with the luggage rack and one with the exhaust on this bike. We'll see. I don't know. I don't even know if the exhaust I got is even going to fit, but whatever happens, happens. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring bell. You know how YouTube works. This is not your first day on here, I hope. If it is, very curious that you chose to watch my video instead of all the other stuff on here. But anyways, thank you anyways, and have a good one.